Alright, so Euro USD, and we're looking at a downtrend channel. So, ito yung tinitingnan natin na possibilities, no? So, what we're seeing here is that rejection from the lower trend line, and it went up from here, and our analysis, our forecast would be for it to have a bounce from there. And so meron tayong candle here. It's like a tweezer tops, and so the buyers tried to push the price higher pero rejected twice, and also here. So once na ma-break niya itong support na to, which was previous resistance as well, then we have a confirmed downtrend continuation. Okay, so what's our basis for this is because of the strengthening of US dollar. So with the last time na nag-announce si Fed is that they will keep the interest rates due to inflation fears. Okay, so with that, safe haven choice yung talagang pinili ng mga investors, no, and traders, to be the safe haven is the US dollar. This is due to they give interest with their money parked in US dollar. Okay, so that's the reason why we expect that this Euro USD pair will continue to go down. So let's take a look at the other pairs, no. So as you can see here, USD JPY is up. So ibig sabihin, US dollar is going up, and the US Treasury yield, 10-year bond, and up na naman ng 1.06, no. Napakataas. DXY, US dollar index is also up. And as we can see, AUD USD is forming, and it is forming a bearish pattern, and it's on a triple top. So once it breaks here, and this is our path, no, and this is our entry, and we can target this one. So it's like this. Okay, so we wait for it to ma-break, no, and then we wait for the retest, then tsaka tayo enter. So paano ba natin gagawin yan? What we can do is that we can place a sell limit order, and then from there you can place a stop loss above and targeting this immediate support here, and 0.66. Okay, so this is gonna give you 2.81 risk to reward ratio. With the Euro USD, how can we so it's the same thing, no? So we wait for it to be broken, and then targeting this one. So it's gonna give us 2.3 risk to reward ratio, or kahit ito lang, no, since dito yung tama niya. Yan. GBP USD, as you can see, it's paired with US dollar as well, and it's already on a downtrend. Yeah. So there's some sort of breakout upside, no, pero it's still very early to jump here. And so there's a rejection here with the previous resistance. So what we can do is that we wait for further movement. Okay, we wait for further movement, no, So, kung mabasag nyo yan, then that's the time that we can enter. And so we wait here and we wait for a long position, and targeting this one, and it's gonna give us 2.08 risk to reward ratio. Pero kung this is pero if this is fake out, no, it's gonna go back here. Yan. Targeting this one. Okay, so every USD paired, every major pair, no, with USD is actually getting bearish, no. Yan. Okay, so oil USD is still 91. Big drop from the announcement ni President Trump. So may sumasalo talaga siya doon, no. So at 0.50 Fibonacci, which we drew this before earlier no, nung sumiklab pa lang yung war, no. So we already drew this. So as long as na intact itong Fibonacci niya, no. So as long as na hindi pa siya bumabalik dito at 0.786, then there's a high possibility na pwede pa siyang umakyat, no, pabalik doon or even higher. Okay, so as long as the war continues and Strait of Hormuz is still blocked by Iran, then there's still a possibility about this. But if there's any talks about ceasefire or peace agreement, then we can expect that it's going to be a sharp drop. Okay, sharp drop, balik siya dito. And also with the drop in oil, gold can continue to go up. Yan. Sinalo niya na, no, na we are on a downtrend. Yan. So there's a possibility that could go here. Yan. So still we are bearish with gold. Again, with due to inflation fears. But any possibility of a peace agreement and confirmed peace talks, we may see gold breaking upwards, no. So at least at 5,000 level as the resistance. And so why? Because Fed can now, if oil gets back to normal, Fed can now cut interest rates. There's a high possibility, which is what Trump really wanted to do from the very beginning. Okay, so that's it, guys, for our updates with the market, and hopefully we see some more trends here. And so with gold, which we are basically trading, and together with other dollar denominated pair, and so hopefully you gain some insights on how we can trade USD pair moving forward. And so again, if you want to join our Telegram community, nandiyan yung link niyan sa bio natin. I hope to see you there.